In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your WordPress site. Whether you want a backup or are moving your content to another platform, this is a simple and essential process. Start by heading over to wordpress.com and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Tools. This menu holds a variety of utility features, including the one we need today. From the drop-down, select Export. This will take you to the export page designed to help you create a portable file of your site's content. You can export all content, including posts, pages, comments, custom fields, tags, and more. Next, click Download Export File. WordPress will compile all your content into an XML file and download it to your computer. Make sure to save it somewhere easy to find, as this file is perfect for transferring your content to another WordPress site or keeping as a backup. A quick note, this export does not include themes, plugins, or settings. It's purely your content. And that's it. You've successfully exported your WordPress site, giving you flexibility for backups or future migrations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips and tutorials.